Hey fam, how you doing? How you doing today? Yeah, I trust you're good. So I want to shout out each and every one of us. It's not been easy with you. I know we're in the buy market, but then that's why I'm here, right? To bring you updates on how to profitably make money from the market consistently, right? Okay, so roll with me, fam. I've got a nice update for us today. If you're excited about this, kindly hit the like button, click shares, give that to your friends. You don't want to miss out this. You don't want to miss out. So follow me while we go, right? So now, say, I know some of us bought Bitcoin at $60,000, $50,000, $30,000, and above. So also BNB, Binance Coin, SHIB, USD, a lot of token that is way below your cost price right now, right? So, but then that is why I'm making this video for us so that we'll see how to make money consistently from the bear market without losing our tokens and still hodling it, right? It makes sense, right? So let's roll, fam. Hope you are with me. Don't forget, click the like button, share, and comment. I'm always there for you. Use a hub. We are savvy. Okay, so let's go, fam. So it's already proven that when a bear market, right, asset has actually been going down continuously from their all-time highs. So how do you make money from this market? How do you consistently make money from this market? That is what I want to look at this very video now. So for this, we'll be using the Binance margin, which is a form of trading on the Binance platform where we borrow money from Binance to trade. You understand? So you can borrow money, you can choose not to borrow money. Yeah, you have the liberty to borrow and not to borrow. But you borrow money so that your capital can become bigger and then you trade. Now, in this case, we already have what we want to trade with, which is our previous assets that we bought at a high price, right? So we want to trade with them because they are already losing value. So we want to keep making money, just like you fix deposit your money and then you be earning on it. So you just go to the balance margin and then you sell. In this case, we are selling because we are in a bear market, right? So when we are in a bull market, we'll be buying on the Binance margin platform, and then we keep getting value for our tokens. So on that case, what we'll just simply do now is we go to the Binance margin and then transfer our asset. But then prior to that, let me explain in detail what the Binance margin or margin trading is. Margin trading simply means trading with a borrowed fund. Is a form of trading and a form of contract for difference, whereby investors and traders leverage money they borrow from their brokers and exchanges to trade. Now, say for instance, now I want to buy BNB USDT, and I have only $10 to do so. So, and I'm required to buy, and I want to buy like maybe 5 units. BNB is trading at $50. I want to buy 5 units. And that's about $250, right? So I'll say, how do I get this money? I can simply transfer my money from the spot wallet, which is my $10 to this Binance margin, and then use the leverage there, or borrow money from Binance margin, and then having borrowed money from Binance margin, my equity will increase. I will be able to buy at least 5 or near 5, other than the 2 that I would have been able to buy initially, right? So that's basically how the Binance margin works. So you just borrow money if you want to borrow money, or you still trade with your only your capital, no leverage. But when you trade with only your capital, no leverage, you are still okay on the Binance margin. Okay, so that's that. But then what are the important things about Binance margin? Why do you want to trade? Why should we trade Binance margin? We want to trade Binance margin because it gives us the liberty to be bullish or bearish. What does that mean? It means that in this example, in this case where the market has been bearish, the market has continuously been going down, you can actually be making money by shorting the market, right? We short the market, we just transfer our tokens or our assets to the Binance margin, and then we sell. We keep on earning more tokens. More than that, we have diversification. You know with me that as every good investor, we are savvy, right? We are savvy investors. We make money consistently. We make money consistently. So that's why we are savvy, right? We are savvy. Shout out to yourself, man. Person for yourself. We are the savvy. So basically, you want to diversify your portfolio. You don't want to put your money in just one place, maybe in sports, maybe only in futures. You want to have money in sports. You want to have money in Binance N. You want to have money in Binance Stick. You want to have money in futures. You want to have money your P2P. You understand? You just want to diversify your crypto assets so that when the market is going one way, you'll be losing money across the board, right? That's what we call about diversification of funds on the Binance platform, right? So what does it do for you? By diversifying your funds, you mitigate risk, right? You reduce your risk. Do well to watch my video on risk management, okay? So that you understand better what risk management is. So it helps you to mitigate risk, reduce your exposure in the market, right? So maybe your spot is not doing well, but your futures account will be doing well. So that your net account is beefed up, or your futures account is not doing well, but your spot account is doing well. So that your net account is still beefed up, you understand? Or your margin account is not doing well, your end account is doing well. So that your account is still beefed up, you are still profitable, net results, right? That is why you need to be diversifying your fund. More than diversification, again, you have what we call ability to leverage, ability to use leverage, right? That's multiply, unlike spot markets where you just trade with your capital, maybe $10, $50. But then in the margin, the Binance margin, you'll be able to borrow money and then increase your trading funds, right? Then you'll be able to make more profit. So that's another advantage of using the Binance margin. So another advantage of using the Binance margin is that margin traders on the Binance platform, Binance actually has its user at heart. So Binance, on the Binance margin, on the Binance platform, we have you have the opportunity to make money. So I think another reason why you need to trade on the Binance margin is that the Binance margin is highly liquid. Any token, any coin that is listed on the Binance platform, we know that has a whole lot of liquidity and trading volume. And it's only from this high liquidity and trading volume you'll be able to make profits daily. And that is one of trade Binance margin is the volatility, because cryptocurrency is actually volatile, you understand? So you'll be able to make money from the short-term fluctuation or changes in price, the bid and ask. So these are some of the reasons why I want to make money, want to trade the Binance margin. Now, above all, we'll be able to short Binance, short our tokens. This time around, this time around, we'll be using Bell for an example. Say we bought Bear at $2 or $1.8, and now currently Bear is around $1.021, which means that the token have actually significantly declined in price, right? So what do we do? Should we just keep crying? As savvy investors, we ought to look for alternative possible means of making more money, right? That's what we are. That's why we are savvy, right? That's why we are savvy. Shout out to you, man. That's why we are savvy. So and on that, we discovered that okay, we have the Binance margin. Wow. What does the Binance margin do? The Binance margin, we can actually short our Bell and then we earn more money. So what do we just do? Now for this meeting, we are using a PC. It's doing the same thing with your smartphone. Okay, this the same thing with your smartphone. So what you just simply do is that you load your Binance app. Simply load your Binance app from your home screen. Once you load your Binance app, you will be at your home screen like this, right? You'll be at your home screen. Now, so after you've loaded your Binance app, Binance application, and it's completely loaded, so you just go to trade. Yeah, once you come to trade, you have the option to be in the sports market. Okay, you have the option to be in the spot market. You have sports here, sports or isolated. Once you see this isolated on your PC, it simply means Binance margin, right? But then on your smartphone, you should just click trade. You have sports, you have margin. What else do you have? Let me check my phone. Let me check my app quickly. Let me quickly check my app. Let me quickly check my app. You are still with me, right? Okay. So you have the Binance on your smartphone. You load your smartphone. You go to trade. Go to trade. On trade, you'll be having some options. Yeah, you have convert, you have spot, you have margin, you have fire, and then you have peer-to-peer, P2P, right? So you just go to margin on your smartphone. and then you do the same thing we are doing here now, as simple as that. So here, just go to isolated for the Binance margin on your PC. What else? You want to sell, right? Because we're already in a bear market, you want to sell. Remember, margin trading is risky, so has inherent risk. So you want to do adequate research before you engage in margin trading. Though the upside could be high, but then you need to do your research before you get into margin trading. I hope that's clear with us. So just come to the Binance margin here and we click to select sell. For us to be able to sell, we should transfer our assets from the spots down to the future margin account. So we just click this button here where I'm hovering my cursor. Just click it, transfer. Already I've transferred my bear. You can see my bear, right? I have 10.49 bear. So, but for you, if you don't have the token, just click transfer. Option to transfer it to be will pop up. So in this case, we be asked to transfer from fiat and spot to isolated margin asset is bear. Just click the asset you want to transfer, select the other asset here, right? And then you enter the amount and you transfer it over. So that's basically what it is about. Another how some of the means of trading. Now, another thing you need to see here, you have other types. I know by now you should know what other types are. Okay, I'll upload my video I made on other types, so you'll be able to see what other types and a detailed explanation. Although it's lengthy, but then it has a detailed explanation of limits, markets, stop limits, or when and why you should use all these other types, even the OCO and the trading stop order rather. So now you have the what you can see normal. Now, if you don't want to borrow from Binance, you just use the normal. You understand? Just use the normal. I just want to trade with your token that I have now. In this case, I have 10.69 Bell. I don't want to borrow from Binance. I'll use my token. Now, if I want to borrow from Binance, I'll click borrow. Binance to multiply. You see that I'm no longer having okay, look at here, available is now 32, right? But then when I did not borrow, I had only 10, right? So it means that because this guy has an isolated and a 3x margin, automatically it has a 3x margin. So once I click borrow, my capital, which is 10.69 Bell, is multiplied by 3 times. So remember we talked about that one of the reasons, one of the importance of trading Binance margin is that we'll be able to use leverage to increase our profit, right? So that's actually what we just did now. So you borrow funds and then you sell. If you borrow funds, then you sell. Say for instance that now we've borrowed this fund, then we've sold it. Okay, so let's sell. Let's enter the amount we sold. So let's borrow. Okay, we've borrowed already. So what amount are we gonna sell? We're gonna sell 100 of our Bell. That's 32.6. 32.06 Bell. Amount in Bell 32.06. Okay, 32 is the max. So what price are we selling at? We are using a limit order, so we want to sell at let's say 1.30. So we set a limit at 1.030. Okay, so then click sell. Click sell. So click margin sell there. Sorry, the values just changed. So enter this, the total Bell amount there. We just drag this and then we use our 100% Bell. Okay, I think our orders are replaced. Okay, sorry, we're in spot. Let's get to why is this like this? Okay, so this is what. Sorry about that. So select, we key in 1.030 as our entry price, limit entry price. We select 100%. In this case, 100%. I want to do 100%. Always do your risk management properly. And then I margin sell. I click sell. So, and I'll be asked to confirm, as you can see on my screen, I'm borrowing 21 bell, 21.this bell, and I'll have to repay it. So in the future, I'm talking about finance, margin, loan, and detailed explanation about Binance margin loan. That's what we want to do for this picture, right? So just click sell, confirm, and then our limit order will be placed, and we'll wait for it to get filled. Just be patient, we pray we get filled in just a few minutes. Okay, so that's basically one of the things we want to do. So if we are filled this time around and bear, we are triggered, so that we'll keep on, we'll start earning more bears as the market keep going down. That's one of the importance of trading, or how you're going to make money using the Binance Futures platform. If you find this video insightful, you find this video interesting, click, like, share with your friends, right? So that they will stay on top of the market. They will stop losing their money. They will stop feeling so depressed, anxious about the fact that the market has been going down. So you see that you have the opportunity to keep earning money. Now let's do the math. Let's do the math. Let's check, for instance, that we sold bear. We sold bear. Let's say we sold our 50 bear at $2. Let's say we bought at $1.5, like I said earlier, and then we saw that the market started going bearish, and then we sold at $1.2, right? $1.2. We already lost. Then we sold at $1.2. So let's see what it will be. And currently the market price of bear is 1.0, just $1. So we say that our exit price is one. Original amount of bear, we have 1,500 amount of bear, 1,500. So let's see what it is about, what it has for us. So borrow amount. Yes, we borrowed. So we borrowed. Okay, let's say our original amount is 500. So we borrowed 1,000 to make it 1,500, right? Because we are using margin 3x of what we have. Max borrow amount is 700. Okay, we see max borrow amount is 700. So we borrow 700 and then calculate. So we would have made 240 PNL on USD. Wow. We have made $240 on USDT. Wow. Although the market is in a bearish market. So that's basically what it is for me. You don't want to miss out on this. Honestly, you don't want to miss out on this. Now, if you are new to Binance, I have a package for you, a sign-up package for you. Use my unique link there in the Binance in the description box, and you will get a $100 bonus, a $100 sign-up bonus. Are you excited? Farm, refer your friends to our channel. Click, share, like. Awesome and amazing updates for each and every one of us. See you guys next time. I love you. Remember, we are savvy, right? Thank you so much for your time, and God bless. We are gonna make it. Wag me.